to $60 trillion worth of assets. We're going to be changing the name of the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America.
This is such a bold move.
It's clever. It's a really bold move.
Yes, that's what I said.
Which has a beautiful ring that covers a lot of territory. The Gulf of America, what a beautiful name.
Yes, dude, yes!
And it's appropriate. It's appropriate. And Mexico has to stop allowing millions of people to pour into our country. They can stop them. And we're going to put very serious tariffs on Mexico.
I need